Today, we celebrate the Brotherhood Auto Club of North Carolina on their 18th anniversary. 18 years of community, connection, and a shared passion for automotive culture. What began as a small group of car enthusiasts has grown into a family-driven organization rooted in service, unity, and purpose. The Brotherhood's mission has always been simple but powerful. People helping people. Through their events, outreach, and presence in the community, they continue to uplift others, support local families, and create spaces where everyone is welcome. Congratulations to the Brotherhood Auto Club on 18 incredible years. Here's to the cars, the culture, and the community that make this organization truly special, and to many more years of people helping people.
All right, we're from the DC Cruisers Car Club out of Mocksville, North Carolina. We want you all to come and see us on the first Monday of every month up until October in downtown Mocksville. We're looking for you. Come on over. Hey! Woo-hoo!